Hello, friends. Just want to take a shout out to American Hat Maker. They sent me this beautiful Outback Crusher hat. Very soft, fits perfect. What's nice about it is you can crush it up, hence the name Crusher, and stick it in your backpack or whatever you want to do. Comes with a chin strap, which is nice if you're out hiking or horseback riding or whatever. Also comes with a extra sweatband you can take off or put in. If it's too big, they got thicker ones for your head. And very beautiful hat. And I think American hat makers for sending me this. Thank you. Bye. It's crunchy.